Cassini's direct and remote sensors first began studying Saturn's moon, Titan, a place that some believed could contain liquid water. Titan is bigger than the planet Mercury, with a dense atmosphere, thicker than even the Earth's atmosphere. In 1980, when the Voyager space probe flew by on its way to the outer solar system, its photographs hinted at another liquid phenomenon.
What the Voyager spacecraft told us is that that atmosphere is filled with hydrocarbons, methane, ethane, that create a thick photochemical haze. The Voyager spacecraft couldn't see through that haze.
When Cassini began studying Titan 25 years later, it also launched a satellite spy probe called Huygens. The probe penetrated the thick hydrocarbon atmosphere and landed on Titan's surface. What Cassini and its lander found was shocking.
Very early on, Cassini and Huygens had seen hints of the evidence of fluids on the surface of Titan. Eventually, they found hydrocarbons. They found hydrocarbon lakes, some larger than the Great Lakes. These are the first open bodies of fluids found in the solar system outside of Earth.
The lakes are filled by classic Earth-like rainstorms. But on Titan, the raindrops are not H2O, but slow-falling liquid methane.
A lot of the methane on Earth is in the gaseous state. It's called natural gas, in fact, and it comes from decaying organisms. And they're still decomposing, and they form this natural gas, which we can use as a fuel here on Earth.
Titan's liquid methane world could even harbor simple life forms, much like the single-celled life found in the depths of Earth's oceans.
So there's a lot of excitement about the possibilities that could be out there. Planetary systems out there are active, interesting, and very varied, and we know that life can take many different forms.